How to change timing in Canva. So if you're doing some kind of animation within your project, maybe it's a presentation or something like that, you can easily adjust the length of that timing of that animation. So let me just open up some kind of presentation template. So presentation, and let me open up something that's free. So for example, I've searched for presentation animated, and let me just open this one up. It's free. Customize this template. All right, and now we're dropped into our project where we can customize everything. So as you can see, we have our animation, it's currently playing, and we have our timer. So as you can see, we can just press show timer, and this is going to be our button and setting to adjust it. Also, you can close this down and just click on anywhere in this animation. And as you can see in here, we have this edit timing. So this is pretty much the button that allows us to edit it. So if you wish to remove it, you move it all the way to the left. If you wish to make it longer, you move it, say, for example, to 20 seconds. And you can also set apply to all pages, and all pages will have the animation of same length. And this is pretty much the button, guys. And then you just click it out of it. And now your animation is set to 20 seconds. So this is how you adjust timing, guys. Enjoy Canva, enjoy customizing and creating things. If this helps you out, don't forget to support us with a like and a subscription.